this is Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. I hope you're all doing well. So I wanted to come on and show you my newest junk journal that I just finished. It's a pretty pink junk journal. I don't really have a name for it. I wanted to use some of my pink papers and I just went for it. So I just thought I'd just do a short flip through, kind of show you what I ended with. So I have a little sari tie here that I just kind of put around. On the front, I have these sweet little girls here. I will link down all the kits that I used in this. This is from my Shabby Chic blush kit. Added just a lot of fabric to it all the way around. Some of my papers I just did on the back. I used a box. It was a biscuit box that I used for the cover that I just covered with paper. Put a little embellishment here, a little flower, a little jewel. I just thought it turned out so pretty. I just love these little girls here. I edged it here because this was a little rough on my edge, just with a little bit of pink kind of string. And then here, got different papers that I used. Here's a little pocket, tag, has lots of ephemera in it, a little fabric cluster here, a little tag, and here's some more of the paper. Here's from one of my Folio kits that I just added in here. And a little tag, a pocket. These are from my fussy cuts that I have. Like I said, I'll link all of this down below with what I used. Just add a little remnant piece that I had here. A little pocket, these cute little girls, these old photos. This here's a vintage piece of wallpaper. I used this here, and this here was from Vintage Chic. Teresa, she had sent me on one of the videos. I showed you all the stuff that she sent me. Oh my gosh, it was just stunning. So I used some of her pieces here. Little envelope, the pretty pink bird. And here's some of my bird fussy cuts. This is just some scrap, and you know, the 12 by 12 scrapbook papers that you get. Put a little lace doily here, another little cute little girl. A paper. Lots of writing spots in here. A little tag. I just kind of put some scrap piece material that I had on here. Just fits over there nicely. This here's a card that I had. I just kind of, this is some of the, you know, the tape that you can create. Little sayings, some vintage material here that I had. Some more lace. I just love these papers. These are my Shabby Chic rose papers. Another one of my fussy cut birds. Those cute. Just so sweet with their pretty dresses. A little tag. This is from, a lot of the papers in here are from my Coralie junk journal kit that I used. Got a little envelope. Journal tag in there. This here is just some fabric piece or a ribbon piece. Some little embellishments. This here's another one of my folios. Some little pockets in it. This here's just a little piece to write on. Again from that kit. Little tag. I had these little ribbony fabric pieces that I put on there. She's sweet. Can't remember where I got this tag. I got this from someone. I wish I could remember, but it was in a little package that I got, and I just can't remember. I wish I could, but I thought it looked cute in here. That pretty paper. This is a little pocket in here. It's another card that I had that I used. And I put her in there. Explore, dream, discover, and wander. Some little cabinet cards. Another one of my birds. A little saying about birds here. This here, I just did a little booklet. Some little writing papers. Some little pocket right here. And I have a little fabric piece that I made a pocket out of that I put in here. Some more ephemera. This here's a vellum piece that had pretty in pink that I just kind of put over the top and added her. Another one here. And this here is a transparency that I printed on that I just put over the top. There's another one of my folios that I actually just adhered to this pocket here, so it becomes a flip. These are all the pieces that were in there already, so I just left them in there. A little pocket here. with some ephemera. Oops. Little corner pocket. More lace. A lot of these I just left like they were because I loved them. Did a little stenciling here with some pink. Got a little pocket right here. A little tag. Isn't she sweet? I just love these photos. So pretty with her little lace dress. This journal I made pretty simple. Which sometimes I like. A little belly band here. A little envelope. Oops, didn't put anything in there. A little pocket here. And there's that. And here's some more of that vintage wallpaper. It's so pretty. It's kind of got a shine to it. And there's that. So yeah, just a quick flip through. I hope that you guys are all doing well. I hope you liked it. And I will link everything down below of what I used. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.